We were approached by a large multinational food production company who were struggling to make the shift from classroom training and paper-based assessments for their staff's competency tracking. This was a particular challenge as many of the factory locations lacked connectivity, with total dead spots for both Wi-Fi and mobile coverage. Many of the staff operated in clean or allergen-safe environments, meaning that they were unable to interact directly with electronic devices for food safety reasons. Their historic solution was to take people away from their place of work for classroom training, and then have their understanding checked by a team of assessors who would observe skills in use and processes being followed. This would then be manually recorded on paper form and later entered onto a series of Excel spreadsheets in a shared folder. The paper copies were scanned and filed for subsequent auditing. Anything beyond the most basic analysis of data was impossible, as it was distributed within multiple different spreadsheets, with one per department. This was compounded by a regular churn of users joining, leaving, and moving between different departments. For this company, compliance was absolutely mission-critical, and a failure to record and demonstrate adequate staff training could require a shutdown of their entire business. In partnership with the client's team, we produced an offline companion app for the vLearning platform for use by members of the assessment team. This iPad-native app works in conjunction with the web-based online part of the platform, and assessors follow a simple daily routine. 1. They visit a dashboard that shows the people they have responsibility for training and which subjects are due. They then select the activities, videos, e-learning, assessment documents for signature, etc., that they wish to work through that day. The staff are shown the videos, talk through policies and procedures, and then asked to complete a knowledge check quiz. Answers are either entered by the member of staff or by the assessor if physical contact is not permitted. The assessor then asks for any skills or procedures to be demonstrated and records this within the app. All of this takes place fully offline, and multiple different subjects or members of staff can be trained and assessed in a single offline session. At the end of the day, the assessor returns to their office and reconnects to the Wi-Fi in order to synchronize the day's work with the platform. This routine has been performed day in, day out now by each member of the assessment team for a number of years and has completely transformed their learning approach to providing training and competency assessment in a highly challenging environment. All training activity is now consolidated in a single repository, and managers have access to a suite of analysis and interrogation tools integrated within the vLearning platform. The old paper assessments have now been fully replaced by electronic quizzes that can be retrieved instantly for auditing purposes. Staff no longer need to leave the factory floor to receive their training, which in most cases required the removal and subsequent refitting of PPE or cleanware, reducing the disruption and boosting efficiency. This approach brings a number of other less tangible benefits, but these shouldn't be overlooked. It's now possible for all staff to receive the same training regardless of their location, which means only one version needs to be created. Access to detailed training and compliance data can be provided to team leaders and line managers, allowing them to guide an individual's development and boost overall compliance. Visibility is improved, and requests for training data to the R&D team are a thing of the past. This consolidated data repository is also integrated with the company's Power BI management information system. No longer is L&D an isolated business concern, but now demonstrates its concrete benefit to the business on a daily basis. Since its creation, we've expanded the offline app with versions for Apple and Android, in addition to adding a range of new features. At vLearning Solutions, we pride ourselves in understanding the needs of our clients and having the technical skills required to bring innovative and effective solutions into reality. Why not arrange a call with us to discuss your particular needs and challenges to see how we can help? Find out more at https:// v-learningsolutions.com.